Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, South Africans, Africans, and the whole world. This is Uppercut Podcast, where you get into the ring, but your opinion might not make it out because you're reigning, defending, undisputed, number one educational speaker in the whole world is your host with the most. But I almost forget.
Yes.
Ketsamale Mamo.
How could you forget? Thank you very much for calling. Thank you to the viewers and hello to the viewers. Thank you to the people subscribing. Thank you, God. My name is Smitty the Reaper, but you can call me Gift. And this is Uppercut Podcast.
Thank you very much, my brother. You know it. And I think those who have clicked in this video, they know it already.
Yes.
Thank you very much, my brother. You see, in your introduction, before I can go further, in your introduction, I pick up some words there.
Yes.
Yeah, God. You know, we always say everything starts with God.
Yes.
Yes, it's powerful for me. I wonder how people connect or how many people know God.
Yes.
Yes.
In truth.
You know, okay, let me put it like this, the creator, you know,
Yes.
because God is just a name to identify
It's an idea.
who we are talking about.
Or what we are talking about.
So we are talking about the creator,
Yes.
right? Yes. How do you know, my brother? Tell me about your knowledge with God.
The self is God.
Yeah.
You are God. The air is God. You know, everything which is God.
Yes.
Yes.
Well, I agree, but would you care to elaborate a little?
Love is God.
Yeah.
Fear is not. So, if God is sought after based on fear, can't really be God. That's when the idea comes in.
Yeah.
You know, the name God. We don't know what we're talking about.
You don't say.
We don't know.
Thank you very much, Professor. You know, it is evident enough because we have many people, many churches, groups,
Yes.
you know,
Yes.
nations, you know, race, talking about God, but in their language,
Yes.
you know, but we are all talking about the same thing, right?
Yes.
In the whole world, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Thank you very much, Buffett. To listen to Like anymore, please don't forget to subscribe. You know,
Yes.
Today it's about to go down, Buffett. God.
Yes.
Who is God? Because babang batho ba ropa batho ditjhelete tsa bona.
All in the name of God.
All in the name of God. You know, my brother.
Yes.
Yeah, because I want to explain that. I just wanted to hear from you first, you know. Yes, as to how you see God. Because
I see because of God.
Come again?
So I see because of God. So all that I see is God.
Yeah.
Type thing.
Yeah.
Yes.
There is this word, my brother. People like to say it. God said, let us create the world, the people, the things that are here.
Yes. The limited story.
Yes. So with that being said, I think they are talking about before creation.
Yes.
When you start by saying God said in the beginning, that was not in the beginning.
Yes. It was before.
It was before the beginning.
Yes.
You know?
Otherwise, there wouldn't be a beginning.
Come on. Thank you very much. You're my brother. Yes. So, but Thomas, let us start before creation.
Yes.
You know, my brother. So that people can understand exactly.
What is creation?
What is creation and what is happening in the world and what is the world. Maybe they will get that idea.
Yes.
If we can explain, if I can explain what is in my mind about God. But before creation, because people have started that.
Yes.
Before creation, God said. Then it clicked into my mind, no. if bare in the beginning maqaleho modimo o itse ha re qaleng wa bona eseng ake qaleng wa bona. So it is very important to me to explain or to talk about before creation, so that people, we can help each other until we understand God. I think it will be the easiest way to understand God and what is happening now, and maybe hell. You know,
since a lot of people are living in hell.
Exactly.
Unfortunately,
that's what we are thinking, my brother.
Yes.
At least that is why what we were told.
You said something though about hell, which I found particularly interesting.
Yeah.
That it's survival.
Yeah.
Yes. Would you?
Here it is, my brother. It is gonna go. It is gonna answer your question as well.
Oh yes.
About hell. Okay. If we start from
the beginning or before beginning.
Before the beginning, before the creation.
Yes.
Before the world.
Yes.
Before the sun. Before the moon. Before the stars.
I'm ready if you are.
Are you?
I am.
Thank you very much. I hope Bafetu is ready, Bafetu. Thank you very much, Bafetu, for watching our videos. Please support us, Bafetu. Sherane, Nabanye, Bazuwazusaze, and then they get to know.
Yes.
Or they get to be involved. Ba comment le bona ba be ditaba tsa bona re bontshaneng, because lefatsheng
can live alone.
Goning
can't do it alone.
You can't.
We need each other.
Goning.
Yes.
That is why we can't do it alone.
Yes.
Goning. You know. Okay. Before creation now, have this picture, my brother, in mind, right?
Yes.
When God was talking about, let us create the world and everything. It was a council of gods there.
Yes.
So that says a lot. Which he was not alone.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
So he can't be talking about, he can't be talking with angels at that time.
Yes.
Because angels are his servant.
Yes.
You know, God's, our creator's servant. So it was his idea. You know, let us create. In the court of council, he pitched that idea.
Yes.
Which means to who? To other gods.
Yes. Not just angels.
Not angels.
Yes.
Just gods.
Yes.
They were as powerful as him.
People with power, yes.
They were as powerful as him.
Not even people, what the fuck?
The spirits.
The spirits, yes.
When we are talking about before creation now, the spirits.
Yes.
So, as he was not alone, he talked about this with these people. He pitched his ideas. And some agreed.
Yes.
Some didn't agree. I'm going to tell you later those who didn't agree. Yes. Some agree, some did not agree. But now, those who agree, they worked with God, hand in hand, to create the world, which is creation. The world, what we know, what we see, that is creation.
Physicality.
Yes. That is his creation, the world. And then, those who agreed, he used their characters and their spirituality as they were spirit. He used that.
Their essences.
Yes, to create this world. Which means God, our creator, was helped to create by other gods.
Okay.
He was helped. Hence, okay, let me not go there first. So, as he was helped, they created the world, which is the creation.
Yes.
And there were those who were close to him, according to titles.
Yes.
Because the God that was speaking at that time about the creation, he is our creator. He is the world's creator, the earth's creator. I'm talking about
the world as we know it.
Yes, he is our creator. So he is the leader of this idea.
Yes.
Hence, after it was completed, they say he is his creation.
Yes.
And everything that is on it,
it
is his creation. His idea. But he was helped
exactly.
by other gods. So now, let's go after creation. Because it was perfect. The world was perfect. The creation, everything was perfect. After that. And then, those other gods that were helping God to create his creation moved on to create their creation as well.
Life goes on at the end of the day.
You know what I'm saying, my brother? So now, those gods create their creation. Which now, I say, there is a God of sun. Sun is another creation of another God. After creating this, because they agreed, right, to work hand in hand, because they knew Rihanna is a God of fire. He specialized on that one and other things. So they agreed to God to reinvent the heat, your heat will help me.
Will sustain my creation.
Sustain my creation. Thank you very much, my brother. And the God of moon now. That is why we don't know what is happening there. Because it's another creation, but it is working. It is another God. Creation, another creation of another God. One thought. So, but they work hand in hand with God.
Our creation.
Yeah, that was an agreement with our creation. That was an agreement.
With God's creation.
Yes. And bear in mind, as many as they were, because the space is too big, my brother. Others did not agree with the idea of God, our creator, on helping him, building his creation. They did not agree. So they moved on. You know where, my brother? To the dark, where we can't see, because we can't see it. It makes sense. It is not, they didn't agree with our God, the creation of this. So it is beyond our imagination, it is beyond our see, our eyes to see, you know. So that is why it is dark. God thought, okay, those who don't agree, my creation won't see them. They won't see my creation. My brother. So after waking now on this, the other God,
one of the gods
in the council that was there, came with an idea. Or no, God. Respond yes. Yes. But damn, this is good, man.
I don't want to leave this.
Yeah, and now I played the biggest role here. Hence, Batubara Satan was the devil was the biggest angel. No, he just contributed a lot according to his strength at that time.
He was more passionate about the project, maybe.
Exactly. Then he become attached with the project.
Hence, fear is attachment. Okay,
you know, my brother. Then he said, God, no. We're not a robber. You always saying you are fair. Because God is a God of fairness, right? You always preaching fair. You always preaching peace. But in here, there is no fairness. How? God asked. Now, the meeting was
the council.
The council long ago, because the creation is here now. It's about to be put into. Yes. So that was the argument with God. But I like to say it was a negotiation. They just took long. Because they happened exactly just before the function of the creation. One thought. So it was the case of from the devil. Or no. I made personally, or let me say spiritually, because they were spirit, right? Yes. Spiritually, I create animals. Yes. Hence people how bua ka Satane ba kenya dimpondo ba kaofela bo Satane di associated. The devil himself created that, but he was not creating them for himself. Or evil. He created them because God said, I need these things. So when I got Satane, your strength, you can do that.
Yes, you're creative.
Yeah. But devil then says, no, Shebalina Moako. I might as well Linda exist, control them. Kanjani no. No. How fair for it?
Yes.
Then you have an agreement that okay, you can you can live here.
Yes. Stick around, basically.
Yeah, stick around in the world and see how it's done. I don't know. I want to be involved here.
Yes.
As you, because those people are gonna be you, like you.
Yes.
Be you. Hence they have your spirit to live.
And you're gonna see more of yourself through them.
Yes.
I also wanna see myself.
Kanjani manje not the devil no yaba argument etelele until a kenya modimo ko khoneng.
Yes.
Or no, okay. So tsaka tse ke di createile nna di tla mmamela. Ke tlo ba go ta o bua. I will make them talk. And then God saw or no, that is not gonna work.
Yes.
About okay, devil hurry hey. About no, I guess stupid fella because the devil was trickery, was smart, was
creative.
Always and then he said, so you can't give me that opportunity and then mara or restrictile batho ba. Wena or ba wena ba mamele wena.
Yes.
So no existence ya ka e tlotswa kae mo. Then because God is a God of fairness.
Yes.
And he understood where the devil was coming from.
Yes.
And then he said, okay, go on, man. What do you want exactly? I want this to be. Pella is perfect. God was looking at it as
to begin.
Wow. Yeah. And God have everything in mind to tell the creation story, to put it into existence.
Into action.
That was the idea of God.
So would you say we are living it out currently?
My brother, exactly. God wanted that. The idea of creation was that to show what is happening as spirit. To by he wanted to see, hence he wanted to see himself in us. He wanted to see the universe in us, what is happening as spirit. Hence he took everyone's help there as God to put in us, so that he can see how they were living, they were acting, what is happening, everything. He put it here, he wanted to see it. Then the agreement, after the agreement, Mudimar no.
Okay, would you say everything that we see is everything that's in us?
Yes. Not that is within us, my brother, for you to get it. Let me come here first.
I'm talking element-wise.
Yes. Let me. We were capable. We were created to be capable.
Yes. Of all that.
Exactly. To answer your question.
Yes. There's potential, basically.
Yes. So now, here's the biggest deal that God made with the devil. Right? Because devil was supposed to go and create something else for himself. Then he was hooked to this one, right? And then here's the biggest deal that God made with the devil. In fact, the biggest suggestion, even more, that the devil made to God. He said, God, okay, we're now fair. And everything on peace in God of love and everything. So listen, give them a choice. The choice. God gave people choice. Not the devil. God, the creator, our creator, gave us choice. Why? For those who can choose devil. They must choose devil. For those who can choose God, they can choose God. But because this thing does not gonna end. It's an ongoing story, right, God? Yeah, so give them choice, man. God gave us choice to live here. That is why now that is why in the creation there is two spirits that is existing. Bad and good, which means God and devil, love and hate, and fear. One thought, God and because Aukasheba now coming back to the creation now to tell you that everything that is happening happened before the creation.
Powerful stuff, yes.
Before the creation. Yes, everything that is happening now happened before. It's just a story to tell. It was our Creator to tell us a story.
Through us.
And then one tell my brother. So there's good and bad. There's heaven and hell. Where is hell? They can show you the pastors.
Yes.
Only the description, or hey, you're gonna be burned there, there's fire, there's Satan with the big fork and his angels. You see, which means the devil was not an angel of God, because he has his angel, which are demons.
Yes.
You understand that, my brother? You understand? So where is heaven? Where is hell? Biggest question. I can tell you this. In heaven, there is no hatred. There is only love.
Yes.
There is only peace. There is no war, fight. Or what?
Violence.
There is no bad. It is not bad. It's good. Everything that is good is in heaven. Everything that is bad it's in hell. So we, as people coming to generation by generation, my brother, yes, people took choices only to find they're aligning themselves with the devil spirit.
Yes. Unknowingly. Because they were taught.
Yes. Wabona, my brother. Yes. So that make us to be born in the sin.
Yes.
What I'm telling you happened long ago, my brother.
Yes.
Because people were created with the choice in them. Wabona, my brother. So people were aligning with the devil most of the time. Hence, now the smartest of them all. In the on the particular continent or particular country.
Yes.
Because even before the creation, there was always the smartest, right?
Yes.
Atlanka ideas, right?
Yes.
Then Hobota here. The thing people always know who is God.
What's God?
They always have that powerful information, truth information about God. But now it was cut generation by generation. But created the imaginations. And those who stick with the truth, they were killed generation by generation. Hence, but today I will not
so that the lies live on.
Thank you, my brother. Why, my brother? So in heaven, in hell, it's survival
of the fittest
situation. Yes, it's survival. The way that we live,
that's hell.
That's hell. Because in heaven you cannot cry. It is not like people are waiting for heaven to go to heaven to
after they die.
After they die, no. When they are dead, it's the spirit going back to its spirit, and the soil going back to its soil. That's all. Why one of my brother? Siyabonga Soweto Orlando. For our addictions are wrong. Our negativity ofacana now. Na resistance clothing brand. Yasemzansi. Winter time, ama-woodies, namabhini, itrachel. Summertime, ikipa, neyipoti machance. Ubangene. Uthi hey, awungitsheli lokho. So
that's crazy.
So now it's just the creator telling his story, if you can understand it. Telling what was happening before creation. It was God here.
Yes.
The hating, the arguments, before the agreement, it happened. Before the counsel of God, there was other counsel. Counsel was always there again. Never did the meetings the ideas life again. So God is trying to tell us. Lord, yeah, now there are people who are asking, I know where they are coming from, those people.
Yes.
Because even God himself,
he was asking.
He was asking himself,
where am I coming from?
Yes. And he knew that there was two things that got together. And there was me. Because God was the smartest. Hence he was the leader of those
other gods.
Yes. He was always smartest. So he had questions. Others, the spirit
as they are.
As they are. Like what my brother. It's a repeating story. So God now implement the ideas at your own create and saw. One tell my brother. Hence like I should go to Bonamoto, Ankaba, Tarabafet, Tlonkibule Kaiser Chiefs. Tlonkibule Orlando Pirates.
Yes.
Yes. What?
Just reflections.
Just reflections
of the story before time.
Yes. But so now, heaven and earth, everything that is bad, that makes you cry, that makes you sad, that makes you don't feel happy, that don't makes you laugh. It's hell.
Love.
Just know that is hell.
Yes.
Everything that is good, that makes your spirit feel good. Mentally, today you are happy. Everything that makes you happy, my brother, is heaven.
So there's a boundary.
Yes, there are people who are saying, no, then I feel happy. They are lying.
Yes.
It's because the devil was like that.
Yes.
Since Alimatreka.
He lies.
He knows which I was not feeling happy to kill that person because it's not a good thing.
Yes.
One child, my brother, it is not a good thing. One child. So the good, you can feel it inside you because you were created with the good.
Yes.
You were created by God. Idea.
Yes.
Hence we love one to one. Are ke pompela moya wa ka ho bona hore ba phele. Ke ba etsa ka my picture.
Yes, my image.
Yeah. And people are asking, hey, wena God ke mosadi or ke monna? That is why also molfatse mona le ntho the head, the wife is here, the head in relwana la di title. No. Both. Modimo ke mosadi, modimo ke monna.
Yes.
Modimo na le back, le forth, tse ka rona ke. O na le maside, but yena ke spirit.
It's not in the way that we are.
That we are. Modimo na le ntho tseo le yena.
So the image is not limited to physicality.
Thank you very much, my brother. He was just showing himself. So modimo ke mosadi, modimo ke monna. Why not the curiosity that you have? God created that for you to grow. Proud. One child. Yeah. But now you must know. Good. Heaven. God. Devil. Bad. Hell. They exist together in this world.
Yes.
In this creation.
Along with other spirits.
By the agreement of God.
Yes.
The creator. Our creator. The one that we know.
So are the other spirits also involved?
Other spirits also involved, but according to restriction of God.
Yes.
Because they listened very well.
In agreement.
Basically. In agreement. Okay. When they build, they create this thing.
Unlike the devil.
Unlike the devil. Leonardo Dumete at first.
Yes, but then he changed his
mind.
But
after the creation now, he look at it and say,
because they were overly fascinated.
Yeah. The money that the company that is bringing in the company. Peanuts, man. It's a company or you know what I'm saying?
Yes.
That spirit of bad spirit that is existing on earth. Agreement, don't forget.
Yes.
So now, choice. Yes. So now the choice thing was devil's idea.
Yeah.
But choice. So now choice. God find that interesting enough to say, okay, Oh, yeah, man.
This could be fun.
Yeah. Then you will see that devil was not an angel.
Yes, he was very smart.
And he was powerful. Yes. God knows. Yes. God did not belittling devil. Hence he asked him. Hence he was the biggest. Counseling. It was just like that. Little political party. Yes. Why my brother? And for the fact that unity is power. That shows what God. Just fella rona.
We are making hell, basically.
Which according to my belief now. Hell started when the Jesus story started.
Yes. They took the opportunity.
Exactly. Yes. When the Jesus story started. Remember, Mudimu created us. He knew what little smartness. Smartness. The strength they are not gonna be equal. He knew that. Or mala together. Like it's something. Yes. With many different knowledge, many different power, with different specialties. But you can make one thing, as they did. Yes. Understand that, my brother? As they did.
We out here making bombs, though.
One dollar, my brother. Yes. So now, the choices. More remember. Only choice. There's good and bad. You choose to go.
Yes.
But now remember, you can take whatever you want, but don't take their soul. Information because they want to monetize it. Until the words lose meaning, the direction.
Yes. Until we are completely lost and vulnerable to their influence.
Yes. Yes. In Mudimu it lines a shorteniwa. The message is kaufela. But kaufela's on. There's a halal fatty. What happened before?
Yes.
Unontona leba to buy njalo kumdimu. Bamufet wetse. Abatebela into the dark because it was his it was our creator's territory.
Yes.
Only the territory. As like I say, good the charity, the territory.
Exactly.
From create,
we live in survival now.
Yeah. Now the choice. It's a repeal in survival. It's a resilience being.
We think we don't have a choice, maybe.
Yes.
Because we were born into sin.
Because we were born into sin. That's what we know. And then they knew but what created in the Jesus story. We will be crying for the good. We will be crying for heaven. So they just have to put the distant thing between us.
Yes.
They just have to show it as it is a distant thing. Why what? Yes. Jesus story.
Type shit. Yes.
One shot. They created fear in people.
Yes.
But why? To rule people. When people they knew too much again. Hey. So people who created stories about Jesus, they knew our generation from here buffet. And our these are everything that we have to implement, to instill that. Hence the scholar let's all now.
Yes.
But the Sunday school everywhere. Yeah. Reinforce with this thing.
Down our throat.
Yeah. Yes. Or Jesus. Until now we feel distance. Heaven is here. Earth is here. Hell is here. Hell is here. How would you look, my brother? Just know you are penny. You feel hell.
You are in hell, basically. Yeah.
Not that the spirit after you die is gonna go to hell. That's a blue lie.
Yes.
That's a blue lie. I'm telling you, the spirit will go back to where it is. If it is dirty, it is gonna be washed and put it back to where it is.
It belongs, yes.
One child, my brother. So to understand God that it is a storyteller himself. Hence, there are stories. Everything that we have here, man.
Everything's a story. Life is a story.
Yeah.
Then we make stories.
To create one thing, two things are needed.
Yes.
Hence, what God tried to tell that even Libona a spirit. Ne, only the spirit is in before born. But it was a different spirit to another spirit. But it was all about love.
Yes.
One understand
all about God.
It was all about love. It was all about God. God, the name, is just a thing to identify.
Yes.
Which spirit are we talking about?
The Holy Spirit. Holy Spirit.
Holy Spirit. Holy Spirit. Because now they define him as his father.
Yes.
Can't he is in us. He's in us.
Yes.
We can just work together through love, through respect, through peace. That way, we live in heaven because no one will cry if we help each other, right?
Yes.
No one will be sad, right? When you are sad, I need to come to you, right? Hence now, we're living in hell.
Yeah.
We were born in the sin, in hell. Hence, it's about survival. Man, survival.
Survival of the fittest.
Put
pressure on yourself.
Yeah. We aligned ourselves with the devil.
Yes.
People are just now they are selling the heaven. Or if you want to go to heaven, come this side.
Yes. And you must pay how much?
Yes, and you must pay this. God knows which you can celebrate because he celebrated after creation. Celebrate. Lerona, to celebrate.
Yes.
Good. You feel that. You feel right? You feel good. That is heaven. That is good. That is God.
But then we choose to do otherwise.
To do otherwise.
When we feel the good.
Yes. Because devil with his spirit show us what what rebula wawina.
Yes.
What rebula wawina. But devil did not know that. Okay, when power attack and Nadia fell because kidi trigger.
Yes.
Onale fell thing and then God knows what people like Abba will know the truth and will be able to tell people about this information that he know. That not as a person, I don't know.
Yes, he's just there.
Yeah, but I'm telling you, it is only the truth.
Yes.
You are God. You are love. That is why you feel love. But batla ushashaya at happening. Atawa qatar isbaleng jabulile isbale benye kufana benye jabula. Eyona maka wapata the pain that you have. Opata hlophe ona le yona. Wabona butwa ha uphile hamnadi. Tavern indawo kaya abana dibethe mfowethu. Abana mahabona.
But they always
ababitsu bontate ka tlung. That's why ba bang ba re banwella stress. Wabona o lo pata hore o bontsha gore motho batla a good. Motho was built with good.
Hence we buy a lot.
One told my brother, o batla the good and you can't find it. Wabona, baby, show me that you love me. In heaven, I will botse dipotso tseo. Because you must feel it. You must feel in hell. Tricks. You must give me tricks. There's a tricks. The healing. I get a survival. Ndota isina chelete asindota ndota isa sebetsa asindota wanrata mpontsho wanrata ke manipulate. How shapane how luile hodimo in heaven. In the good.
Yes.
Hulua in the bed. Obana mabra. Obana da ke di heleng wa chada o sontso fella mo lefatsheng. Ha wena o ka shwa lefatshe la le fedile.
You're living in hell now.
Yeah. Yeah. You are living in hell. But now how do we go out of hell?
Good question.
To heaven.
Yes.
I think it's for another show, my brother. What do you think?
Yeah.
I don't want to make you people like confused. Yes. Yeah. I'm coming to you, my brother. Question. To think about this. to think about it. And I'm telling you, they will feel it. That is only the truth. If people know that much before creation, that this on earth is just a storytelling. Yeah, and on earth there's good and bad, and hell is here. When you live in heaven now.
Or you
can live in heaven now, you can live in hell now.
You have the choice.
And the most frustrating story was Jesus' story. As I said, but as I said,
Some other day.
yeah, subscribe Bafet, please. My brother the camera. You can see. Oh, question how we ring.
It's a lot to take in.
Yeah.
Questions
Times it.
you know,
Yeah.
I don't know what to say, guys, but
Thank you very much, my brother.
Guys.
Thank you.
You must choose. Yes.
Thank you very much,
It's a
my brother.
two-way.
Because now,
Left and right, you choose.
because now, my
Choose
brother,
that way.
no one can blame the devil at the end of the day.
Yes.
Exactly, brother.
It was your choice.
It's my choice.
He was allowed to exist on earth. Okay, you're the God, your creator. They had an agreement. But while you are in hell, while you're born in hell, while you're born in sin,
But
you can jump into heaven, into God.
But at the end, I'm a winner.
It is not about competition, my brother. If you want to understand,
Hell is about competition.
In hell is about competition.
Because you have to survive.
I can do it better. But listen, in heaven, they compete as well.
Yes.
But now,
Collectively,
yeah,
in union. Type shit.
How na di Peter loser?
Energies, yes.
Peter loser go competition in heaven. Most of the time, the devil doesn't have anything. He just came with the spirit.
Yes. Of him.
And then usebetsa udima ntho tsa modimo, udima creation.
Ka spirit sa gagwe.
Ka spirit sa gagwe. Everything is God's here. So Bafethu, please subscribe, ladies and gentlemen.
Yes.
I think you're gonna get more. Interact with us. Ask your questions.
Yes.
Do you hear it, my brother?
Yes, yes.
All right.
I'm good.
Thank you very much, my brother. It is very important to understand. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. This is Apa, your reigning, defending, undisputed #1 educational speaker in the whole world. Badimo baka, badimo ba Africa, badimo ba South Africa, badimo ba lefatshe kaofela. It is important to subscribe with us. Thank you very much.